Gator Pit of Texas. All these are hidden at Amarillo, Texas. Loaded up. 3 entertainers. There's a 4th there. They've already received 1 and they got 3 more coming. How's that? That's what we do here at the Gator Pit. Gator Pit of Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. We got 3 entertainers, Gator Pit mobile entertainers loaded up on a big old flatbed, heading to Amarillo, Texas. The customer's bought 8 of these. He's already picked 1 up. He's getting these 3 now, and we'll be coming back to pick up the other or remaining entertainers. Yep, 1 customer bought these. There's one of these other ones he has to come back and get. We couldn't fit on the trailer. Pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool, man. That's what Gator Pit does. Gator Pit of Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. We are burning and turning out Gator Pits. Right there. There's my contact information. I'm Rich Robin, founder and owner. See ya. Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas. We've got 3 mobile entertainers loaded up on this flatbed, heading to Amarillo, Texas. 1 customer purchased 8 of these. This is now, with these 3 plus the other one that he's already received, that's 4 he's received. And we have more coming out of the shop to fill that 1 order. Again, all these are loaded up today, heading to Amarillo, heading to their customer. I'm Rich Robin, Gator Pit of Texas Custom Barbecue Pits. Let me know what Gator Pit can do for you.